Hello students, welcome to my next video. Here again we will solve one problem from university examination. The problem is as follows. A project manager has 4 subordinates and 4 tasks. His estimate of the time what each would take to perform each task is given in the matrix below. So these are estimated time. How should be the task allocated so that the total manpower hours are minimized? So the given figures are in hours and we have to minimize the total hours and we have to assign the subordinates 1, 2, 3, 4 to the task that is 1, 2, 3, 4 written in Roman. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 written in Roman are task and these 1, 2, 3, 4 are the subordinates, and this problem is of minimization. So we will write down this problem and we will try to solve this problem. So write down the matrix as it is. Now there are 4 rows and 4 columns, so 4 by 4, the given figures are in hours, so 4 by 4, so the matrix is a square matrix, and as we have just read, we have to minimize the total estimated hours. So this problem is of minimization. So this is a simple problem. We will try to solve this problem. So first, step number 1, rows minimization, followed by step number 2, column minimization. Solve and check your answers. So I have identified minimum value from each and every row and I have subtracted that value from each and every member in the same group, and after row minimization the column will look like this. Then this step will be followed by column minimization. So this is row minimization and next step is column minimization. For column minimization, the least element from each and every column are identified. So 0, 4, 0, 0 are identified, and I have subtracted these least element from each and every element from the same column. So the matrix will look like this. You can pause the video and you can check your answers. So this is our matrix after column minimization. Now try to cover the zeros. So try to find out 4 zeros. In this matrix you cannot find 4 zeros. So go for 3 zeros. Again in a particular row or column you cannot find 3 zeros. So go for 2 zeros. So I can find 2 zeros in third row. Also I can find 2 zeros in last column. So I can draw a vertical line or I can draw a horizontal line. Here I will draw a horizontal line. So next step, I cannot find 2 zeros now, so I will go for 1 0. 1 0 I can find here, here and here at 3 points. Okay, so I can draw 3 horizontal line or 3 vertical line or few horizontal lines and few vertical lines depending on your choice. For simplicity I will draw horizontal lines. So I will check 1 2 3 4. 4 lines are drawn. So lines drawn are 4. This is 4 by 4 matrix, so order of the matrix is 4. So lines drawn is exactly equal to order of matrix, therefore we can say that our solution is optimum. So we got this optimum matrix, so there is no need to go for Hungarian method. This is very simple problem. So you can rewrite this matrix and you can capture zeros now. So I am rewriting this matrix. Now I will capture 0. I have to search for alone 0. That 0 should be alone in a row or in column. You can check my previous first 2-3 videos, so you can easily understand how the zeros are captured and how these lines are drawn. Okay, so I will search for alone 0. This 0 is alone, so I will capture this along with row and along with column. I will delete the 0. Again next I can capture this 0 because this 0 is alone. Along the row and along the column I will delete the zeros. Now next 0, this is the alone 0, so I will capture this, and last remaining this 0, so I will capture this. I will check in each and every row 1 0 is captured. So this is my final assignment. I will write down the answer as. So 1 is assigned to Roman 1, 2 is assigned to Roman 3, 3 is assigned to Roman 2 and 4 is assigned to Roman 4. So you can check here in this matrix 1 is assigned to 1 and 4 is assigned to 4, 2 is assigned to 3 and 3 is assigned to 2. So for the values you have to go back to your original matrix, and 1 is assigned to 1. So given problem 1 is assigned to 1. The given hours are 8. So you have to write down entire things here and the final answer is as follows. So I am writing down the values as per the given matrix, original problem matrix, and I will do a summation. So summation of this is 41. So final answer, this is your assignment, and total time, that is 41 hours. Don't forget to write the unit hours. So this is the simple problem. You can easily get 10 marks here. Thank you.